I am Jacques Torres and you are with me for Tuesday's tip. You need to whip some whipped cream, but you don't have a stand mixer. What do? Put a little bit of ice into a glass bowl like that, leave it for a few minutes. Then when the bowl is cold, dispose the ice. Then put the whipped cream into your bowl. That's enough. More while you're on a whisk, faster the whipped cream going to whip. So I usually use 3 whip. In no time, you're going to have whipped cream. You see the whipped cream already double in volume. This is where I'm going to ask you to pay attention. This is soft peak. You try to pull the whisk and the peak doesn't stand, okay? Soft peak. Now if you keep going, the hard peak, okay? And if you keep going, you get butter. I hope that helped.